Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to delete or unsend a message on Instagram. So just open your Instagram application on your device. Now tap on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. This one here. Then after that, tap on the person that you had a conversation with or the person that you have sent a message. So click on it, and then now you can see here the messages that you have sent. Just press and hold the message. Okay, example this one, the hello message. So click on it. Then now you can see from the list of the options, tap on and send. Okay, then after that, confirm it. Click on and send again, and now you can see that your message has no longer in your conversation with your friend. So just do the same to the other messages that you have sent. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.